With our Butterfly Single Head CEO package, you'll be confidently embroidering on your own with thorough training from our best technicians. This package includes 3-day one-on-one training sessions at your place within the continental US. Pairing your Butterfly 1501 BT with our CEO package ensures that your machine will be shipped and installed from A to Z while you are present. This is perfect to learn some ins and outs of setup and help troubleshoot minor issues in the future. You will get hands-on training with our best technicians for 3 days, and when you feel confident to operate your machine alone, your technician will personally award you a Butterfly certification. You'll want to get creative with your new and improved skills, so we offer 10 free digitizings through us so you can have your favorite images come to life.